Hey, how to promote your channel and business in YouTube in just 30 seconds. Let's go and watch this video. You will open your YouTube and then from here you have ideas for you. Promote video. And then you have here posts, channel content, and the channel content. Okay, and the channel content, you'll find at the last promotion. Click on promotions and then get started. You need audio growth, like more subscriptions, or video views, or website visits. I like to more subscriptions, so you will select the first one. Then next, then select the video from your videos. Select any one. If you like this one, then next, where you are targeting Bangladesh, Arabia, who are speaking Arabic, because the language in Arabic. So you can select Bahrain, you can select Israel, you can select all Tunisia. Next, budget, select the budget. Total budget Egyptian. No, I need budget in just 50. Okay, 50 Egyptian pound, not only. Done. This one. Okay, as a test, yeah. And in June, 1 month, and in 30 June. Now, add payment method.